Despite the slow opening of the economy, the Philippines is still in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, which means that it's still important for us to follow safety protocols in and out of our homes. For those living in condominiums, safety protocols must be followed strictly as we move daily in common areas such as hallways, elevators, and lobbies. Here are ways condo dwellers can keep safe from COVID-19. 1. Always wear a face mask when interacting with people. Whether you're receiving deliveries on your floor or heading down to the admin office to pay your dues, it's always important to wear a mask whenever you open your front door to lower your transmission risk. 2. Wash your hands. Properly wash your hands with soap and water for the duration of 2 happy birthday songs every time you return to your unit or handle delivered packages. Make sure to follow proper hand washing protocols as shared by experts. If you've been out long, it's always best to take a shower and to soak your clothes in soapy water right away. 3. If possible, push elevator buttons with your elbow, a napkin, or the cap of a ballpoint pen. Don't forget to sanitize afterwards and always practice social distancing, even in close quarters. 4. Have a spot by your foyer where you can disinfect the things you just brought in. Whether they're your shoes or your bags, best keep them by your unit's entrance and disinfect them first. 5. Always coordinate with your building's administrators if you need professionals to help with repairs or renovations. Your admins need to know if there will be personnel in your unit so they can be on top of contact tracing. If your repairs can't wait, you can also ask them for contacts, as they usually have people they can tap that have already gotten vaccinations and reviewed COVID safety protocols. 6. Be aware of building-wide announcements. Condo admins usually put out memos announcing new precautions and protocols, ranging from disallowing visitors to closing off public pools and gyms within your compound. Be aware and follow them. They're for your own safety, after all. For more home tips, visit realliving.com.ph.